Welcome, art enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the realm of digital creativity with the help of AI. We'll explore how to transform images into captivating 2D cartoon, anim, or 3D animation styles, all for free. Get ready for an exciting image-to-image AI tutorial. First things first, fire up your Chrome browser and search for Styler AI. From the search results, click on the first link to access the Styler AI website. Once on the Styler AI website, click on New Project to begin your creative journey. Default text. Select Image to Image as the transformation type. Enable the Auto Prompt feature for quick and easy style selection. Now, let's dive into our first style. Click on Neon Futurism for a vibrant and futuristic transformation. Click on Stylerize to let the AI work its magic and transform your image into a neon-fueled masterpiece. Take a moment to marvel at the neon futurism transformation of your image. Now, let's explore a different style. Click on Innocent Cutie for a cute and playful transformation. Once again, review the results to see the adorable Innocent Cutie style applied to your image. For our final style, let's add a narrative touch. Click on Narrative for a storytelling-inspired transformation. Check the results to see how the narrative style enhances your image with a compelling story. Choose the image that you like the most from the transformed options. Select all images and click on Place on Canvas to arrange them for export. Finally, select all images and click on Export to download your transformed images. And there you have it, folks, with just a few clicks. You've transformed your images into captivating 2D cartoon, anim, or 3D animation styles using AI. All for free. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and feel inspired to explore the endless possibilities of digital art. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Until next time, happy creating!